Hello everyone, welcome to the class. In this class, we are going to take time and work questions from the CAT 2021, and these questions has been taken from all the sets of CAT 2021. So let's start the question number 1. Two pipes A and B are attached to an empty water tank. Pipe A fills the tank while pipe B drains it. If pipe A is opened at 2 p.m. and pipe B is opened at 3 p.m., then the tank becomes full at 10 p.m. Instead, if pipe A is opened at 2 p.m. and pipe B is opened at 4 p.m., then the tank becomes full at 6 p.m. If pipe B is not opened at all, then the time in minutes taken to fill the tank. So there are two pipes A and B. A is inlet while B is outlet pipe, and pipe A opened at 2 p.m. in one situation and tank is full at 10 p.m. So that means pipe A was open for 8 hours, right? And pipe B, which is outlet pipe, you open at 3 p.m. and tank fill at 10 p.m. So that means pipe B was opened for 7 hours. So this is a situation 1. Here I have written number of hours both pipes were opened, right? So this is first situation. Okay, in the second situation, instead, if pipe A is opened at 2 p.m. and pipe B at 4 p.m., then the tank become full at 6 p.m. So that means pipe A was opened for 4 hours from 2 to 6 and pipe B was 4 to 6, that is only 2 hours. So in this second situation as well, the tank become full. So if we know the rate of filling of A and B that we can assume, then after that we can equate the capacity of the tank. So I'm just writing here rate of filling in say some quantity, say liter per hour. So for A I'm just putting X and for B Y. So for A the rate is X liter per hour and for B the rate of emptying basically is Y liter per hour. Okay, so in first situation A will fill 8X, okay, minus B will empty 7Y. So this has to be capacity. I'm writing here this has to be capacity of the tank, 8X minus 7Y, and this should be equal to the second situation, that is 4X minus 2Y. So this is something that you need to understand. The capacity can be written either this way or that way. So after equating this, we will get 4X is equal to 5Y. So now we get the relationship between X and Y. So we can write the capacity in terms of X as well, which is 8X minus 7Y. So that is 8X minus 7 multiplied by Y is equal to 4 by 5X. So I just put the value of Y 4 by 5X. So that is 40 minus 28, so that is 12 divided by 5, 12 by 5X. So this is the capacity of the tank, and the question is, if pipe B is not opened at all, then how much time A will take to fill the tank. So time required by A to fill the tank is the capacity of the tank that we come out that has been come out as 12 by 5X. So 12 by 5X, this is capacity, divided by the rate of A, which we have already assumed as X. So divided by X, this much hour. So that is 12 by 5 hour, but the answer is given in minutes. So you have to convert this into minutes. So 12 by 5 multiplied by 60. So that will be 12 into 12, 144 minute. So 144 minute is the answer. Option 3 is correct. Let's take the next question that says Anil can paint a house in 60 days while Bimal can paint it in 84 days. Anil starts painting and after 10 days Bimal and Charu join him. Together they complete the painting in 14 more days. If they are paid a total of rupees 21,000 for the job, then the share of Charu in INR proportionate to the work done by him is. So there are three people. I'm just writing their first letter. A for Anil, and then B and C for Charu. Okay, and Anil takes 60 days to complete. Bimal takes 84. For Charu, we do not know. And what happens? Anil starts painting, and after 10 days, Bimal and Charu join. So what we can do here is first we should assume the total work. It will simplify our calculation. So we have to assume the total work as the LCM of 60 and 84, right? So this must be we can take LCM or any multiple of LCM, so that there should not be any fraction while solving the question. So I can take it 5 times 84, so 420. So 420 we have assumed the total work, right? So after that we have to write how much work they are doing per day. Work per day or efficiency, both are same. So Anil is doing 420 work in 60 days, so that means 7 work per day, right? And Bimal is doing 420 by 84, that is 5. Okay, and for C we do not know, but it is given together. They complete the painting in 14 more days. Okay, right, that means 14 plus 10, 24 days, and they are paid this 21,000, right? So in order to get the work done by C, we should first know how much work has been done by A and B, because all of them are working together after 10 days, right? So here I am writing number of days days of work. A, how many days A has worked, B has, and C has worked. So A has worked for a total of 24 days, because A did not leave the job in between, but B only worked for 14 days, because B came after 10 days, and C also worked for only 14 days, right? So in 24 days, A, how much work was done? So I am just writing here work done by them, by each of them. So for A, 24 multiplied by 7, 24 multiplied by 7. For B, 14 multiplied by 5. Okay, and for C we will definitely calculate after subtracting this from 420. So 24 multiplied by 7, which is 168, and this is 70. So A and B has done this much job. So here I can write work done by Charu, work done by C, that should be 420, that is total work, minus work done by A and B, which is 168 plus 70, right? So this will come out to be 182, right? So we got the work done by Charu is 182 out of 420. So the Charu share can be calculated. So Charu share should be work done by Charu, which is 182, divided by total work, which was 420. We have assumed here 420, multiplied by total amount, which is 21,000. Look at this place, 21,000, right? So this calculation is simpler. 0 will cancel out, and this is 100, and this is 2. So this will come out to be 9100. So 9100 is the answer. Option 2 is correct. Let's take the next question. Anu, Vinu and Manu can complete a work alone in 15 days, 12 days and 20 days respectively. Vinu works every day. Anu works only on alternate days starting from the first day, while Manu works only on alternate days starting from the second day. Then the number of days needed to complete the work is. So there are three people, Anu, Vinu and Manu. and the number of days, 15 days Anu complete the job, in 12 days Vinu complete, and in 20 days Manu complete the job. So with the help of this we can assume the total work. We can assume the total work as the LCM of 15, 12 and 20. It will make our calculation easier. So that should be 60. We can assume 60 or any multiple of 60, right? So once we have done it, the second thing is we have to find work per day, and accordingly we will proceed. So Anu will be doing 60 by 15, that is 4 work per day. Work per day or efficiency both are same. Vinu is doing 60 by 12, that is 5 work per day, and Manu is doing 3 work per day, right? Now Vinu works every day, so I'm just writing here every day. Vinu every day. Anu works only on alternate days starting from first day. So Anu is working day number 1st and day number 3rd and so on. Here I am writing working days. So working days I have written 1st, 3rd, and for Manu starting from 2nd days and 2nd, 4th and so on, right? So what will happen that in the first day, since Vinu is working on every day, in the first day Anu will work 4 units of work, plus Vinu will work 5 units of work. So this is day 1, right? And day 2 Anu will not work, but Vinu will work because he is working every day. So 5 work of Vinu plus Manu 3 work, 5 plus 3. This is something that you need to understand. Day 1 4 plus 5, day 2 5 plus 3, again day 3 is again 4 plus 5, and day 4 is 5 plus 3. So what you can see here is that 9 unit on day 1 and 8 unit on day 2. So 9 plus 8, that is 17 units. 17 units of job is done in how many days? 2 days. 2 days. So that means 51 units. 51 units will be 6 days. In 6 days, 51 unit is done, and 60 unit is the total job. So 9 unit is left, and that will be completed on the day 7, right? So I'm just writing here 7th day 9 unit job will be done. So in 6 days 51 unit is completed, and the remaining 9 unit job will be done on the 7th day, because on 7th day it will be Anu and Vinu turn. So the total time taken to complete will be 7 days. 7 days is the answer, and option 4 is correct. Let's take the next question that says Amar, Akbar and Anthony are working on a project. Working together, Amar and Akbar can complete the project in 1 year. Akbar and Anthony can complete it in 16 months. Anthony and Amar can complete in 2 years. If the person who is neither the fastest nor the slowest works alone, the time in month he will take to complete the project is. So they are working, 2 people are working together. So situation is Amar plus working together, Amar and Akbar. So I'm just writing in this way. They are taking 1 year, that means 12 months time to complete. And then what is given, Akbar plus Anthony, they are taking 16 months to complete. And then Anthony plus Amar, they are taking 2 years, that is 24 months to complete. But we have to assume the total work. So total work we can assume as the LCM of these numbers 12, 16 and 24. So that will be 48. So we have assumed 48 as the total work. So here I am writing work per day. So for Amar plus Akbar is 48 by 12, so that is 4 work per day. Akbar and Anthony is 48 by 16, 3 work per day, and Anthony plus Amar is 48 by 24, that is 2 work per day. Now we can add them, work per day. So we have to find here the slowest, the person who is not the slowest nor the fastest one. So that means we have to find their individual efficiency, then only we would be able to compare it, right? So if we add all these three equations, so we will get 2 multiplied by Amar plus Akbar plus Anthony, that means 2 multiplied by work done by Amar plus Akbar plus Anthony in a single day. So that will be 4 plus 3 plus 2, that is 9. So it means Amar plus Akbar plus Anthony, all of them are doing 4.5 work per day, right? So with the help of this and these three equations, we can find how much Amar is doing per day. So in order to find out Amar, we can subtract Akbar plus Anthony. So 4.5 minus 3, that is 4.5 minus 3. I am writing here 4.5 minus 3, that is 1.5 work per day. And similarly Akbar is doing 4.5 minus, we have to subtract this, we can subtract Anthony plus Amar, 4.5 minus 2 for Akbar, so that will give me 2.5. and for Anthony I can write 4.5 minus 4, so that is 0.5. so now you got the efficiency of each of them. So Akbar is having the highest efficiency and Anthony is having the least efficiency. So we are looking for this person, Amar. Amar is having efficiency in between Akbar and Anthony. So the question is, how much time Amar will take to complete the job? So time it will take, total job which is 48 that we have assumed here, right, divided by work per day of Amar which is 1.5. So that will give you 32 months. So 32 month is the answer to this question. No option is given, this you have to fill in the blanks. So 32 month is the answer. Let's take the next question that says, one day Rahul started a work at 9 AM and Gautam joined him 2 hours later. They then worked together and completed the work at 5 PM the same day. If both had started at 9 AM and worked together, the work would have been completed 30 minutes earlier. Working alone, the time Rahul would have taken in hours to complete the work. So there are two people, Rahul and Gautam. So in one day they started 9 AM and completed at 5 PM. But Gautam worked 2 hours less. So that means Rahul worked for 8 hours. I am writing here hours. Rahul worked for 8 hours and Gautam worked for only 6 hours. And they completed the work. Right. This is first situation. And in the second situation, both started at 9 AM and completed the work 30 minutes earlier. That means 4:30. So both have taken 7.5 hours. 7.5 hours. So in this second situation as well, work was completed. So if we know the rate of doing their work, that means their efficiency or work per day, then we can find the total work and we can equate it. So I'm just writing here work per day or efficiency, right? So I'm taking efficiency of Gautam as 1, then I will take Rahul as X. I can also take X and Y, but in order to have just one variable, if I take Gautam efficiency as 1, Rahul can be taken as X. It can be in fraction, no problem, right? So what I can do, I can write the total work. So total work in the first situation will be 8x plus 6, 8 hours multiplied by efficiency of Rahul x plus 6 multiplied by 1, 8x plus 6, that must be equal to 7.5 multiplied by x plus 7.5. In the second situation, 7.5 into x, here 7.5 into 1. So these two are same, these two are total work. So from this I can see 0.5x is equal to 1.5. So that will give me x is equal to 3. So that means efficiency of Rahul is 3, that we have found. Efficiency of Gautam is 1 and 3. Right, so combined efficiency of Rahul and Gautam, here I can write Rahul and Gautam combined efficiency is 3 plus 1, that is 4, right? And with the combined efficiency, they are doing the job in 7.5 hours, right? So the question is, working alone, Rahul would take, how many hours Rahul will take to complete the work? So when they are working with the efficiency 4, combined efficiency of 4, they are taking how much time? 7.5 hours, right? And Rahul efficiency is 3, so efficiency 4 is taking 7.5 hour, so efficiency 3 will taking how much? 7.5 multiplied by 4 divided by 3, this much hours. How we have done it? Because efficiency 4 is 7.5 hours, so efficiency 1, that means the person who has having 1 efficiency of 1 will take 7.5 into 4. 1/4 of efficiency means 4 times time, right? And then for efficiency 3 we have divided this by 3, so this will give me 10 hours. So that means Rahul will take 10 hours to complete this job, and option 1 is correct. Let's take the next question that says Anil can paint a house in 12 days while Barun can paint it in 16 days. Anil, Barun and Chandu undertake to paint the house for rupees 24,000 and the three of them together complete the painting in 6 days. If Chandu is paid in proportion to the work done by him, then the amount in INR received by him is. So this is a typical question of time and work, and here Anil, Barun, again here no option is given, so you have to fill the digits directly, right? So Anil, Barun and the third one is C, Chandu. 3 persons are there. Anil takes 12 days, Barun takes 16 days. We do not know for Chandu, but obviously yes, A plus B plus C, when all of them working, they have painted in only 6 days. So what we can do, we can assume the total work, that will make our calculation simpler, as the LCM of 12, 16 and 6. So that will be 48. So 48 is the total work. And after that we will write efficiency of work per day. So for A, this is 4. For B, Barun, that is 3. For C we do not know, but for A plus B plus C, 48 by 6, that is 8. So now with the help of this, we can calculate the work per day for C. 8 minus 4 plus 3, 7, so that is 1. So we got the efficiency of C as 1, and in the same ratio, that means 4:3:1, the total wages, that is which is 24,000, is to be distributed. So things are very simpler. We can directly find here Chandu share in the proportion of the work done, which is 1 divided by total work, which is 8, multiplied by the total amount 24,000. So that come out to be 3,000. So 3,000 is the answer. So we have solved all the questions of time and work of CAT 2021. Subscribe to the channel for more aptitude tricks.